The best part for me was that from the beginning to the end, they did everything. I didn't have to do a thing, and that's what I really liked the most. Yeah, the husband came home and he said to me, look, my mate's given me this, we should check it out. He's actually got them to go out and he reckons they're really good. I said, okay, I'll give them a call. I looked at their website and I thought, oh, this is too good to be true, but I'll give it a go anyway. There's nothing to lose, so I did. And within 20 minutes, I received a phone call back to state that they would send an assessor out.
Assessor comes out. Were you home at the time of the assessment?
I was, yes.
Oh, cool. And what was that like? What was he rocks up and what did he do?
Yeah, well, he was super fast. He rocked up and he'd done it and he'd gone.
Yeah.
So, that's how quick they were.
Yeah, cool.
I said I may not be at home at the time, but I was, and he was just really quick and he did it and he was gone.
Most people would be a little bit skeptical. They would be, how is this? What do they do? How do they pay out, 600 excess? Like, there's always these questions. Tell me about the thought process for you.
I absolutely had no idea because I'm not very good when it comes to do with, insurance assessment. But I actually spoke to a lovely lady on the phone who told me everything. She went through every single thing and explained it in a terminology that I could actually understand.
Yeah. So who was your claim planner? How was she?
Okay, well, Michelle was awesome. So I rang her up a couple of times because, again, I kept thinking this is way too good to be true. So I needed her to explain, some more information. And she explained it really well and she sort of set me at ease. So I was happy to go along with the process. I had nothing to lose and everything to gain. They constantly contacted me to let me know when people were coming over, how long it was going to take. I really didn't have to worry about anything. I just left it in their hands. Look, no one likes dealing with insurance companies, so I was really glad that Rebuild Relief did it all for me. And I'm also a really busy lady, so I don't have the time to do it either.
Were you happy with the final outcome?
Absolutely. It was fantastic, loved it. Finished, completed, I didn't have a problem with anything at all. I actually had things that were done that I didn't even know I could get done, which I was really glad because Rebuild Relief actually told me that, because there's different building policies and things out now, and so I got more than I actually thought I'd get.
Like what?
Well, I got insulation. And these homes built in the 1950s don't have it, and of course we know now that legislation says we have to have it, so that was something else that I received. So I was very happy about that.
What was the best part about dealing with Rebuild Relief?
I think the best part for me was that from the beginning to the end, they did everything. I didn't have to do a thing, and that's what I really liked the most.
Would you recommend our service to your friends and family?
Oh, absolutely. I would absolutely highly recommend it. Actually recommend any type of assessment that Rebuild Relief does in the future as well.
Yeah, cool. And throughout the process, did it cost you anything to use our service?
Absolutely nothing. I had absolutely no out-of-pocket expense at all.
How good.
Things